Good evening, friends. Today I would like to show you a very interesting feature of Odoo by which you can control various type of customers according to their profile and relationship with your business. Like end customers to whom you are trying to sell product at retail price, wholesalers where you are giving a good amount of discount who can go to our e-commerce platform and place their orders, and some retailers also where it is a kind of customers who are making small orders, but though you are giving some discounts compared to the end customers. So that is all compared can be achieved with price list. So I have defined three price list. One is public price list, which has nothing mentioned over here. The second one is wholesale price list. So wholesale price list has 25% discounts, which is applicable for all products. And then we have retailer price list, which is offering 10% discount on all products. And then if you visit that as a normal customer, that is customer one over here, who can see the normal price list right now for all the products we have in our kitty. So here, if I go to my customer list and find customer one, here is the price list allocation where I have defined public price list. So for customer one, it is tagged as a customer over here as a classification. I am using tagging. He is getting that price list. Okay. Now I have another customers who is let's say this Praveen, whom I have tagged retailers. Okay, so right now Praveen is also part of public price list. So over here, when Praveen logged in and see the product, now if I logged out as a visitor, I can see a regular price list, and now Praveen logged in again, and now he can see regular price list of the product because he is still as a part of public price. Now I'm going into Praveen's profile and changing this to retailer because he is tagged as a retailer for your classification. Next time when Praveen comes back and sign in again, and go to shop page, he can see 10% discounted price for all the product which he is planning to buy. So this is how you are separating out your regular customer with retailers. Now I have another customer who is Krupa. Krupa is wholesaler, tagged as wholesaler. And now I am associating wholesaler price list with this Krupa. And when I am logging as a Krupa, okay, and when I am going into shop page, I can see 25% discounted price over here. So this way you can now offer the same product, same services to different customer at different price list, and based on their login they can now opt, and you can sell the same product to different type of customers of yours. So this is very interesting feature which allocates a price list from backend over here, and then you can use tagging for your better customer management for various customers, and then associate those price lists when they are signing up, and then you allow them to buy your product at separate prices. Hope this small feature will help a lot of people who are doing same website and catering different type of customers from their e-commerce portal. Thank you very much.